myself Joel. I'm from Tuticorin, Tamil Nadu. After my engineering, I searched for a job. I couldn't find any job over there. Since I'm from mechanical background, I was a little bit of fear that how could I going to set my career in IT. And finally, I found Qspider. I joined testing over here. I was trained by Ramya ma'am, and where I learned manual. It's a wonderful staff. She usually she usually take class in fun manner, and people used to observe class, and there will be a clear idea what we are going to do in manual. And best teacher of Java, Abhishek sir. Since I'm from mechanical, I had trouble in keeping Java in my mind. What are the logics over there? And sir made me things easy, and I can understand the logic and syntax of Java. And I also trained by Rizal sir, where I learned SQL. And about the institute, both teaching and non-teaching staffs were both supportive for me to set my career. Thanks for listening.